Here are 5 nightmares for Germans relocating to Florida on an E2 visa. Number 1, no state income tax and favorable tax environment. Germans who cherish Germany's progressive tax system with federal taxes up to 45% plus social contributions may be terrified to learn that Florida has absolutely no state income tax and feel guilty about keeping so much more of their hard-earned money. But don't worry, you can always donate the extra money to a good cause in Florida, or just give it to me. 2, warmth. Germans accustomed to cold, rainy winters and seasonal depression may be uncomfortable with Florida's delightfully warm, subtropical weather, beaches, and outdoor recreational activities that enable a healthier, more active lifestyle. And speaking of warmth, Germans known for their reserved, no-nonsense, and occasionally blunt communication style may be shocked at how friendly and welcoming Floridians tend to be. The combination of sunny weather and a proud tradition of Southern hospitality, even more noticeable in Texas and other parts of the Deep South, leads to interactions with lots of really nice people on a daily basis, which can be upsetting to some Germans. 3, business and economic opportunities. It can be scary for Germans to leave the stagflation, chronically high unemployment, weak business prospects, and geopolitical uncertainty in Germany for Florida's diverse, booming economy, spanning tourism, real estate, tech, healthcare, and international trade. Florida's economy actually ranked number 1 for the 3rd year in a row, and Florida holds the top spot for new business formations as well, according to CNBC. An E2 visa allows German citizens to establish new businesses in Florida and tap into these opportunities, but only if they're not paralyzed by fear of success in the United States. 4, perceived safety and family-friendly environment. Germans who accept rising crime, social instability, insanely destructive immigration policies as the new normal in Germany will be distressed to learn that Florida is different. It's a remarkably safe place to live, work, and raise children, especially in light of Florida's robust self-defense laws, the good guys have guns here, and leadership by America's best governor, Republican Ron DeSantis. And 5, lower cost of living and housing affordability. Germans used to high urban living costs and housing prices may be alarmed by Florida's more affordable housing and cheaper utilities, groceries, and transportation expenses. In fact, reports show Germans saving 20 to 30% on daily expenses by moving to Florida on an E2 visa and not knowing what to do with all that extra money. That's a shame. I'm Joseph Bovino, U.S. immigration and business attorney based in Florida, serving clients worldwide and specializing in E2 visas for Germans and others who qualify. Use the link in my bio to schedule a video consultation about relocating to Florida or another U.S. state and establishing your own business here with an E2 visa if you dare. And follow for more.